Good morning, campers and RVers. I am going to hang up the map that I received for Christmas today. I finally got myself some command strips, and it holds up to 12 pounds, although um, this map is not 12 pounds. It's pretty light, but nevertheless, maybe with all the shaking and moving and going down the road, it will stay in place instead of falling off the wall. We'll see how that goes. But this is the map that I showed you in my Christmas video that I received, and just keep track of all of the different places that you stayed the night. And so anyways, I want to get this up on the wall and see how it goes. The weather here has been great, no complaints. The sun's been coming out every day, and no rain for at least the last, I would say, 7 days. So that's been really good. And just been enjoying the sunshine. And in the afternoons, it gets warm enough to wear a short sleeve shirt. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get started putting this map up on the wall, and I'll check back with you later. So I'm going to put the map right here. I think this is the perfect location for it. Let me open up the door. Let in some fresh air. So I think I'm going to put it right here, and I think that's a good spot for it. And go from there. Well, there it is. It doesn't look too bad. It got pretty warm in here with my coffee and with the sun beating in here. Anyways, it doesn't look too bad. All I have to do now is go ahead and update all of the states that I've actually stayed the night in with my travel trailer. And I'm pretty excited about having that map up there. I think it looks pretty good, and it was fairly easy to install. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.